Good day friends, how are you? I hope you're well. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this parsley face cream that will help you to get a wrinkle free skin and also make your skin appear more youthful. As you know, parsley juice is good to reduce pigmentation, scars and dark spots that appear on the skin due to age or sunspots. It helps to even out our skin tone, lighten sunspots and reduce redness. Parsley leaves contains vitamin C that helps the skin to produce collagen, which keeps the skin looking younger, reduces wrinkles and fine lines. They also contains vitamin K that is good to reduce dark circles under the eyes. To make this parsley face cream, get your fresh parsley leaves, wash properly with baking powder, cut it into bits and then blend in a blender to be able to extract the juice. So I added 2 tablespoons of rose water to my fresh parsley leaves and then blend it up and extracted the juice from these parsley leaves. In a pot, I poured in my parsley juice extract, added a teaspoon of cornstarch, placed the pot on the cooker on a low heat. Cornstarch helps to protect your skin against premature aging. It allows you to obtain a fresh and luminous complexion in addition to visibly smooth skin. So to this mixture, I added few drops of lavender essential oil, chamomile essential oil, a tablespoon of almond oil, and few drops of vitamin E. Also, I added 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Then I mixed it thoroughly. So now my parsley face cream is ready. It has both anti-inflammatory and antibacterial qualities which aid in treatment and prevention of acne. Antioxidants aid in the slowing of the aging process and protect the skin from the sun. So apply this cream on your face for an hour and then wash it out, or you can leave it overnight and then wash it out in the morning. So friends, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching to this time. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and bye bye.